In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. This is really useful when you want to quickly set up a virtual meeting without scheduling a full calendar event. Maybe you just need a simple link you can drop into an email, a chat message, or even a document. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate that link and share it with anyone you need to meet with. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed in with your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top of the window for the Meet option. This is usually displayed as a button or icon labeled Meet. Go ahead and click on that. Think of the Meet button as your shortcut for starting or setting up online meetings in just a couple of clicks. After you click Meet, you'll see a few options related to meetings. Instead of starting an instant meeting right away, look for the option that says Create a Meeting Link. This is the one you want when you're not ready to meet immediately, but you still need a link you can share. Click on Create a Meeting Link. When you select this option, Teams will prepare a unique meeting URL for you. This link is what participants will use to join your meeting, even if they don't have the desktop app installed. They can usually join through their browser, which makes it convenient for guests outside your organization. Next, you'll see a button that says Create and Copy Link. This step combines two actions at once. By clicking it, you tell Teams to generate the meeting link and automatically copy it to your clipboard. Click on Create and Copy Link. Once you've done that, your meeting link is ready to use. You won't see a lot of fanfare on the screen, but behind the scenes, Teams has created a meeting space and copied the link for you. Now you can paste it anywhere you like, in an email, a chat app, your calendar description, or even a document or note for later. Just use the standard paste command on your device to insert the link.